Today in the GoSun kitchen, it is freezing out here in Kentucky, so we're going to make some blistered corn and tomato salsa to warm ourselves up. Just to start, I use these little grape tomatoes because my kid likes them, so just hack those up. You could use any tomato. These just cut in half. The skin on there, you get a nice amount of surface area, so you get a nice blister on some of them. Here we're just cutting up an onion. I'm going to do a few lateral slices, then go down through the top to make some vertical slices, and boom, look, it comes out diced. Magical. Throw that all in the bowl. Salt, pepper, of course. A little bit of olive oil because most things need fat. It's delicious. Chipotle pepper. You can leave this out if you want, but it gives it a nice little touch of heat, nothing too bad, and a nice little bit of smokiness. Toss it all together. Line it in your little insert there. Scrape your bowl. Get that in there. Don't want to waste any. Look at this. 20 minutes later in medium sun. Blistered corn and tomato salsa. Finishing touch. You don't want to cook the cilantro. You could, but it totally changes the flavor. So just roll that up into a little ball. Chop it up, kind of like you would a chiffonade of basil. Toss that around. Blistered corn and tomato salsa. GoSun style.